I will use Leonardo AI for that. Go to Leonardo AI and select a suitable AI model from here. I will select this model. I think this is suitable for our project. Now all you need to do is type here about the superhero you need. First, I will generate an image for Iron Man. Then, we need an image for Captain America. Check the table we created earlier and generate all the images for each superhero that has been mentioned in the table. This will take several minutes, but make sure to get the best result and eye-catching images for superheroes. After you generate all the images, go to Canva again. Now we can generate all 8 clips at once. First, upload all the images we generated to Canva like this. Then go to Apps and select Bulk Create from here. Then click this Enter Data Manually button. Clear this table. Now, go to ChatGPT again and get the table that we created earlier. Select all and press Ctrl+C to copy this table. Then go to Canva and press Ctrl+V to paste the table here. Now you need to add 2 new image columns like this. Let's rename these to Image 1 and Image 2. Now you need to add the images we generated to these columns. So the first Image 1 column represents Iron Man, and Image 2 represents the Captain America image. Just like this, add all the 16 images to these columns one by one. After you add all the images, press Done. Now we need to link this information to our template. For that, right-click on the layer and select Connect Data, then select the suitable column from here. In this case, it should be the option A column. Do this for all other text layers. Then right-click on these image layers and do that same thing. Connect these image layers to Image 1 and Image 2 columns. After that, you just need to press the Continue button and then press the Generate button.